अमेरिका और ईरान के बीच बढ़ते तनाव को कम करने के लिए पाकिस्तान की मध्यस्थता की कोशिशों को बड़ा झटका लगा है। इस्लामाबाद में आयोजित विदेश मंत्रियों की अहम बैठक बिना किसी ठोस नतीजे के समय से पहले ही समाप्त हो गई। ये बैठक 29 और 30 मार्च को 2 दिनों तक चलने वाली थी, लेकिन एक ही दिन में ये खत्म हो गई। पाकिस्तान को न तो ईरान ने गंभीरता से लिया, न ही इजराइल ने। इजरायली विदेश मंत्रालय में कार्यरत विशेष दूत ने पाकिस्तान को जिहादी आतंकी मुल्क बताते हुए भारत को मध्यस्थता के लिए कहीं बेहतर विकल्प बताया। सुनिए युद्ध से लेकर समझौते पर इजरायली पक्ष ने क्या कुछ कहा।
We've been involved in a multi-front regional conflict from the 7th of October when we were attacked by Iranians proxy Hamas from the south. And then on the 8th of October when we are attacked by Iranians proxy from the north. And so multi-front is already something happening for a long time, unfortunately. Today, we see that after a month, there's considerable military gains. 80% of the rocket launchers of the Islamic Republic have been destroyed. The entire Navy has been destroyed. The entire top echelon of their military leadership and political leadership has mainly been destroyed. And we see everyday cracks in the regime leadership, defections from Basij, and absolute chaos when it comes to their strategies at the moment. They're just, sending rockets at any country that they can get their hands on. So I think that there have been considerable military gains, and a month, unfortunately, is a long time for a war, but it's not long enough to get rid of the most toxic regime that we have in the world right now. I mean, I don't know what the Pakistanis think they're doing. I think they're trying to make themselves relevant. They are themselves a huge problem in the world of jihadi terrorism. But, they can try. I'm not sure they'll be very successful. I think they just want to shove themselves in the middle of something relevant at the moment. No, absolutely not. We cannot have a regime calling for our total destruction at the same time having weapons of mass destruction. There cannot be any compromise when it comes to the nuclear weapons that they have or they can enrich quickly. India is a very close ally to Israel. As you know, your prime minister was here only a few days before the war, and we understand that India keeps great relations with everyone, and they can be a much better mediator, if you ask me, than Pakistan. But let's see how things develop.
जीरो हमने इन्वेंट किया, हमने बताया दुनिया को, जहां योग है वहां रोग नहीं। सबसे पुरानी सभ्यता है हमारी। गुलामी से तो और देश भी लड़े भाई, पर आजादी के लिए अहिंसा का रास्ता बस हमारा था। अपने पसीने से जमीन सींचता किसान और घर में घुसकर मारने वाले जवान, बस इसी मिट्टी ने जने। इसके हाथ ने जब थामा जज्बा तो इतिहास रचे। कदम बढ़ाए तो चांद का वो हिस्सा चूमा भाई, जहां कोई कभी नहीं पहुंचा। आज पूरी दुनिया में शान से लहरा रहा है तिरंगा, और इसके पीछे है गर्व से भरी अनगिनत कहानियां जो लिखी जा चुकी हैं और लिखी जा रही है, जिन्हें मैं सुनाऊंगा राष्ट्रगर्व रोज शाम 6:25 पर।